The Kawasaki Vulcan S, Vulcan S ABS, and Vulcan S CAFE sport cruisers motorbikes, in contrast to other cruisers motorbikes, are made to fit a variety of riders thanks to a proprietary ERGO-FIT sizing system that offers 18 potential combinations. This cruiser elevates Ninja-derived comfort, adaptability, power, and performance to new heights while maintaining its classic aesthetic. The 649cc liquid-cooled DOHC parallel twins engines, sports bike-derived chassis along with suspension, dynamic handling, and the ERGO-FIT technology that lets you discover your fit are all features of the 2024 Vulcan S and Vulcan S CAFE. Tri-tone paint, unique tank insignia, sport striping, along with dark-tinted windshield deflectors are further highlights of the 2024 Vulcan S CAFE. The Vulcan S is intended to stand out thanks to its distinctive engine, frame, suspension, and non-traditional cruiser appearance. Additionally, it is made to fit and feel quite comfortable, which contributes to the Vulcan S's appeal to novice riders by encouraging a sense of confidence in their riding. Particularly in the low and mid RPM ranges, the liquid-cooled DOHC 8-valve 649cc parallel twins with fuel injection produces fast and smooth performance. Retuned for more rider-friendly power features, the Ninja 650 engine will encourage confidence in novice riders. The Vulcan S provides pleasant pull while accelerating, smooth acceleration, and smooth starts from a standstill. Rapid acceleration makes it easier to merge and pass on a highway. Strong low-mid RPM performance is facilitated by the intake port, camshaft profile, and long-type intake funnel. These factors also contribute to smooth acceleration and a positive pulling sensation. The engine is quite smooth on and off the throttle, which makes stopping simpler, and this is partly due to the design of the crankshaft. Smoother power delivery is achieved by removing peaks and troughs from the torque curve by the use of connector tubes that connect the header pipe. Strong torque in the low to mid RPM range is a result of the under-engine exhaust arrangement, which helps with control at lower engine speeds. The motorcycle's parallel twins engines, which is tiny and lightweight, contributes to its overall small and agile size. For exceptionally smooth engine running, use a 180-degree crankshaft in addition to a balancing shaft. Narrow chrome composite plated aluminum cylinders aid in reducing engine's width, a semi-dry sump oil system lowers total engine height, and the engine's triangular cranks along with transmission shaft arrangement makes it extremely short from front to back. The fuel injection system contributes to the engine's fast revving nature and offers smooth low-end responsiveness. A sub-throttle valve on the 38mm dual K-in throttle body provides a smooth and responsive throttle response along with a high power output. The ECU regulates the sub-throttle, which is situated behind the main throttle valve, to provide a smooth throttle response for the FE system. Emissions are greatly reduced by exhaust gas catalyst in conjunction with precise fuel injection. Fuel mist produced by fine atomization fuel injectors is ideal for improved acceleration, combustion, and fuel efficiency. The compact design of the engine contributes to the chassis' modest weight and thinness. Low seat height and a slender form that makes it simple to reach the ground combine with light, easy handling. When the motorcycle is raised off its side stand, the low total weight is visible. One of the best motorbikes for novice riders is the Vulcan S. The small machine makes it possible to have a sleek, minimalist frame, which results in a design with tiny knee and foot areas. The optimal stiffness balance in the frame is achieved by the application of 3D analysis, which enhances the handling qualities. Crafted from steel with a high tensile strength for durability and low weight. The battery may be positioned adjacent to the shock rather than underneath it thanks to the offset single-shock rear suspension design. A sleeker shape and a lower sitting height are made possible by this tasteful combination. Whenever feasible, the exhaust pipe is maintained beneath the engine to maintain a narrow chassis and unhindered ground reach. It is quite easy to operate the Vulcan S, whether you are riding, pushing from a parking place, or strolling behind a bike because of its low weight and low center of gravity. All parts may be mounted toward the center of the bike thanks to the compact, spine-style rear frame design. Single beams made of interlocking C-section segments are utilized in place of seat rails. More comfort in the seat structure is made possible by the thin design. A distinct swing arm pivot plate adds to the aerodynamic chassis layout. Two sleeves hold the bottom of the rear frames on the swing arm axis, through which the swing arm's bolts travel. This makes it possible for the cyclist's legs to be positioned closer together, which facilitates reaching the ground. The bike's outstanding control and stability are a result of the rigid-mounted engine, which is a stressed part and helps to achieve the perfect balance of frame stiffness. The light, natural handling is facilitated by the frame shape. Stress-free cornering is made possible by the footrest's relatively high positioning, which prevents them from toppling over easily. A fantastic driving experience is balanced with light handling thanks to the optimized wheelbase. Comfort while driving is given priority in both front and rear suspension options. With its linkage, the offset laydown single shocks rear suspension enables a longer stroke for more comfortable riding. A big volume damper under the engine is made possible by the motorcycle's compact design, which is also aided by the rear suspension layout. There are 7 different preload settings on the rear shock to accommodate different rider sizes and loads. A 2-piston caliper grips the huge 300mm front disc, while a single piston caliper grips the 250mm rear disc. The stopping power provided by the brakes is adequate. In some circumstances, the available anti-lock brake systems aids with stopping.